everybody, it's Westing960 here with another YouTube video. And today, I'm here with my friend Sean. We're doing a YouTube video.
My cousin.
Well, my cousin Sean. So yeah, today we have this from our grandpa's fridge. One of the doors.
We're going to be destroying this thing.
We're going to destroy the hell out of it.
Okay. So what toys are we using first? Okay.
What is that?
What's this?
Crowbar.
Okay. Woo!
Oh, jeez.
Oh, chips are flying.
Next. Oh.
Okay, that's good. Okay, what else? I'm using the hammer.
Hedge clipper.
Hammer. Yeah. Oh my gosh, keep using. Okay, move. Watch this. Saw.
Tree trimmer. Get that fluff out. You're running out of shit. Oh, put her in her.
Move, Adam. Move. Oh my! It's stuck in the ground.
Sign holder.
Again.
Yeah?
It keeps missing.
Hoarding it.
What are you trying to use to destroy it? We need more.
Guys, come on, leave it alone. Get away.
No.
Get away.
No.
You can't be talking in a video. Now it's freaking. It's Sean here with West6960.
And this is part 2 of the fridge destruction video. Well, Grandpa's fridge door destruction video. So yeah. Okay, let's go bring it to the final resting place.
Drag that thing.
What are you guys doing?
Just hold on. Just don't get your hand up.
You guys filming still?
No.
Oh yeah!
We're gonna get in trouble because they're not supposed to be doing this and we're here. We're gonna get in trouble. Videotape.
Matter?
Videotape.
He's bringing it to the dump.
So we have proof they did it. Yeah.
Like golf.
Stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
I know. Golf.
Get the spray. Don't spray paint it. I mean. He broke it.
Oh! Oh my god!
have to have these things. Mine just maxed out.
Oh my gosh, look what he's doing.
Are you gonna like spray paint or something?
Spray paint that. Just kidding. No.
Don't really spray paint it. You're gonna get in trouble as it is.
Son, what are you doing?
That bends. Let's go now. Let's go. Lily! What are you doing?
We get the spray paint probably.
Oh my
He's
god.
going to get the spray paint.
Oh my gosh, you gotta go get the spray paint.
What if he gets another color?
Oh wait, no. What is he doing?
I think he might get the spray paint.
Oh!
Get some of that. Well,
That's real spray paint. Lily, he's gonna spray you with.
I don't know what the hell this is.
Look at that. That's real spray paint.
What is he doing? Above these things. Those bug chemical things.
Don't spray it with that. Don't. Don't.
Don't.
We better go.
Let's go.
I have to go down there.
Yes, we kind of spray painted this whole thing. Here's anger management. And you got anything to say about being so pissed? You got anything to say about being so pissed?
Nope. It's fun.
Flip it over. Flip it over.